We will end with a pretty charged one that we received, politically charged. Do you feel that the recent call to defund police, remove school resource officers, and replace them with mental health counselors and social workers might help to normalize or destigmatize the behavioral conversations? Make it easier for children to come forward when they first start having feelings of anxiety, depression, isolation, etc.
Again, it's not an either or. Certainly, more mental health professionals in schools, I think, is a good thing. That doesn't mean we have to eliminate school resource officers to make that happen. School resource officers can play a very important role in keeping schools safe, in being mentors to students, in just keeping their finger on the pulse of what's happening in the school. They can get involved in teaching and coaching. So though I'm all for, greater mental health presence in our schools, I don't think that has to come at the expense of our school resource officers. Because when someone does show up with a gun, I'm a psychologist, I'm not the one to intervene in that case. And you need someone who's trained and has the equipment and the know-how to make that intervention.